We wish you a merry business. Actemium gives assistance for every business instance with a care that's premier, providing integration for your digital transformation and a strong ROI creation. That's what we do here. We'll help you to see what goes on the floor with smart analytics, cool dashboards, and more. We'll help your implementations of MES applications and use visualizations, which we do without peer. Actemium's vision and mission remain to advance manufacturing so the future's sustained. Of course, it bears repeating that we wish you the season's greeting and look forward to our meetings in a happy new year.